Today our topic is basic electronics. Basic electronics parts we have designed that electronics is the branch of science and engineering which deals with the theory and the use of class of electrons are transport through the medium, vacuum gas or semiconductor. The motion of electrons in such electron devices usually controlled by electric field. Diode, transistor, etc. are the example of electronics device. Electron devices divided into two parts: physical electronics and electronics engineering. There are the two parts. First of all, physical electronics. Physical electronics are the motion of electrons in a vacuum, gas, or semiconductor. The design, fabrication, and application of electronics device from the subject matter is the electronics engineering. So, if we divided electronics introduced into many fields, science, technology, and influenced by the modern man. What are the application of electronics in home, like in radio, CRO, VCR, CD players, telephone, etc. Round to the globe communication, microwave, fiber optic link, satellites, sophisticated electronics instrument used in researcher and various field, commercial industrial sector, and the electronics radar system we applied save flight from one airport to another. Electronics communication and radar are play vital role in meteorology, defense, and military. Modern medical science are used in electronics. So electronics has a large of field. You have where you see in daily life there is the electronics. So if we see the electronics chapter, first we have to discuss about the energy band. So what is the energy band? If we discuss the energy band, then first of we have to consider the carbon atomic structure. Carbon, the energy structure of energy band. So if we see the energy band, consider a carbon atom. This is first the graph between energy, the y-axis, energy level graph. Carbon, we know there is the atom is 6 atomic number, so is 6 electron to occupy that K cell, where the 4 other is the L cell. So K cell, here we write the K cell, and N2, 2P, 2S, then the upper is 2P. This is the L cell, and the here is the N3S, 3P, 3D, N equal to 3 for M cell. So if we see that carbon, there are the 6 electrons, so N8 orbit and K8 orbit, how it's combination. So if we take the similar configuration for a diamond crystal, diamond crystal means imaginary formation of carbon atoms. When the carbon atoms are brought together to each other, the every atoms exert a some force to neighbor atoms. Because of the coupling will exist between these electrons, one atom to a neighbor atom. The coupling is strongest for electron in higher lying levels. So this level corresponding to outer cells of atoms. As a result, this coupling of splitting of energy level takes place. Splitting is the greatest of the outer cell neighboring for the inner cell. After splitting, the separation between energy level is small. But since the number of atomic is very large, 10 to the power 23 atoms per semi-cube, the total spread between the maximum and minimum level electron volt, several electron volt. The large number of discrete but closed space energy level is called the energy band. If we see the energy band, so there is the K band, and this K band, the K cell of a atom, one energy level is K band, means 1s band. And the similarly the band from 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d and higher level of surround with of the atom. For the diamond crystal, the band 2s 2p are overlapping in the two bands are separated. These are the completely band. This is valence band, and the empty band is conduction band. This is the energy. So if we see that the difference between the conduction and valence band is denoted by forbidden gap. This gap is called forbidden gap and denoted by Eg. And the lower band contain all the four valence electron of L cell isolated and is known as the valence band. And the completely filled, this band is completely filled with electrons, and the upper band, that is the empty band, is known, it contains no electron. The empty band and correspond the fast excited state where the valence electron will move under the influence of external field. The electrons are free to move this band. This empty band which lies above the valence band is known as the conduction band or CB. The conduction band and the valence band are separated by energy band diagram. It is called Eg. Now, if we consider what is the insulator, what is conductor, and the semiconductor, how you difference by using the energy level diagram. If we see insulator, what we see in the insulator? First, insulator. If we see insulator, the diagram, here is the valence band, and there is the conduction band. And the separation is known as energy band or Eg. So if we see the what happened in insulator, the materials with conduction band and valence band is separated energy band, and it is tends to 15 electron volt, and a wide energy gap, that a large amount of energy is required to free electrons from the valence band to go through the conduction band. Since at room temperature the valence electrons of the insulator do not have enough energy to jump into the conduction band, so the insulator don't have the ability to conduct current. Thus, insulator have a very high resistivity for extremely low conductor at room temperature. However, if the temperature is rise, some of the valence electron may acquire energy band energy and jump into the conduction band. This causes the resistivity of insulator to decrease. Therefore, the insulator have negative temperature coefficient of resistance. Then, if we come for conductor, what happen for conductor? For energy band, if we see, this is the energy, this is the conduction band, and valence band. The metal in which conduction and valence bands are overlap each other, means there are overlap each other, and the overlapping indicates the large number of electrons are available from the conduction band for conduction. Hence, the application of small energy of voltage result in large amount of current. So the gap is very small or negligible for conductor. And for semiconductor, last one, semiconductor. In what happened in semiconductor? Here is the valence band, is the conduction band. Small gap. This is easy. So in this type of semiconductors, the materials in which conduction band and valence band are separated by very small energy gap. This energy gap is similar to 1 electron volt, and this is called semiconductor. Silicon and germanium are the most common used for semiconductor. Small energy gap means the small amount of energy is required to free electrons from moving to valence band to the conduction band. Very small energy is required. The semiconductor becomes an insulator at 0 Kelvin, means the no electrons are available in the conduction band. However, at room temperature a significant amount of electrons are available for the conduction band. If the temperature is further increased above the room temperature, the valence electrons will acquire energy to jump into the conduction band. This, like the insulator and semiconductor, are negative temperature coefficient of resistance. This means conductivity of semiconductor increases with increase the temperature.